I'm Esha Blaggan, and I'm the project engineer on this project here, which is the Erie North Pier Repair Phase 2. We're removing the existing cracked and settled concrete cap section at the end of the pier, and we're replacing it with a new cast-in-place cap. We've also been repairing cracks along roughly 1,000 linear feet of the pier. These repairs will help to maintain the structural integrity of the pier, protect against wave damage, so we can ensure that the pier can continue supporting safe navigation. This is the second phase of work on Erie North Pier. Last year, we encased about 200 feet of the timber crib structure in new concrete and repaired 1,600 feet of sheet pile that had separated from the main pier structure. Phase 2 continues this effort by addressing the most deteriorated concrete sections at the east end of the pier. Construction began this summer and will continue through the fall. The Erie North Pier plays a key role in guiding vessels safely into the harbor and in supporting Presque's sand delivery operations. This is part of our ongoing commitment to maintaining federal navigation structure across the Great Lakes.